Here we have a 2021 Peterbilt 579 for sale at American Motors. Powered by a fuel-efficient 455 horsepower Packard MX-13 paired with an Eaton 13-speed manual transmission. Equipped with chrome mirrors and a chrome visor, fog lights, collision mitigation, and locking differential, a box for tools or chains, polished aluminum wheels wrapped in deep rubber, air slide fifth wheel, escape hatch door, full fairings, and easy access to batteries. Inside the cab you'll find smart wheel controls, extra gauges on the dash, power windows and locks, 72-inch midroof double bunk sleeper, cabinet space for storage, DOT'd and ready for work. Give American Motors a call and schedule your test drive today.